Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to create a unique and professional logo for your business, YouTube channel, or personal brand but don't have the design skills or budget for a designer, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily generate any logo using two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a stunning logo that perfectly represents your brand. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the tools we'll be using. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It helps with creative brainstorming. You can use it to come up with unique ideas for your logo design by simply typing in prompts. Leonardo AI is an AI-powered design tool that takes your ideas and turns them into visually striking designs. It's perfect for generating logos from scratch or refining existing concepts into professional quality visuals. By combining the creativity of ChatGPT with the design capabilities of Leonardo AI, you can create any type of logo in just a few minutes. Open ChatGPT, log into it, and then type your command to generate the prompt. ChatGPT will instantly give you the prompt. Now copy the generated prompt and then go to Leonardo AI on your browser. Image on Get Started, and then click on Image Creation. Now click on the preset and select Graphic Design, or you can try on other options too. Prompt Enhance Auto, Preset Style Dynamic, Contrast High. Choose Image Dimension, Number of Images, paste the prompt and click on Generate. Wait a few seconds. Leonardo will generate unique logo for you. Here is the logo. Let's open one by one to have a close look. If you don't like these results, you can generate more logos. If you find your desired one, then let's move on the next section of the video. Let's open one logo in Canva and do some more customization. Let's insert the logo image. Click on Edit Image. Let's change. Now let's go to Image Upscaler to enhance the image quality. You can upscale any image in Canva up to 16 times. I'll upscale 8 times for this image. Wait a few seconds here, our image will be upscaled. Now click on Replace to use the image. Now let's add some text on our logo. Click on Edit Image again. Now click on Magic Expand. It'll expand our image and we'll get some room for our text. Let's add some text and customize it. Save and download your logo in high resolution. This ensures that it looks great no matter where you use it, whether it's on social media, your website, or printed materials. Now that you have your new logo, you've just created a stunning, professional logo using AI tools in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more great content on using AI to simplify your creative projects. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.